Hi everyone, this is just a quick video going through the solutions for the first week of homework questions. So if you recall, we're given a speed versus time graph, and the first question that we're asked to do is to determine the distance after 4 seconds. So after 4 seconds I've marked that here, and I've identified two shapes, A and B, a triangle and a parallelogram, and I'm going to use the relationships for those to find the area under that graph after 4 seconds. So area of the triangle, area of the parallelogram, and then summing them up together. And that gave us 115 metres. Second question asks us to find the magnitude of the acceleration at t equals 3 seconds. And the thing you really need to be careful of there is to find the gradient at that point. So back at our graph here, this is the point that we need to find the gradient, and so we're going to find the gradient of this section. Be very, very careful just to do speed over time, because that will give you the incorrect answer, and they usually set up the question assuming that some people will make that mistake. So remember, when you're finding the speed, finding the acceleration, you're finding the gradient of the section where that point happens to lie. Okay, and then that gradient was easy, 30 over 3, which gave us 10 metres per second squared. And then finally, calculate the average speed in the 12 seconds. So we have to now go back to our graph and find the area of the entire graph for the whole part of the motion. Here we are here to 12 seconds. So we want the area under all of this. We've already calculated the area here, so I've just got two more sections, a parallelogram and a rectangle. Calculating those and then adding it all up, we got 625 metres. That was in 12 seconds, so that gives us our average speed of 52. Now, if you made an error in question 1, you would get consequential marks if you used your values for question 1 from here in this calculation.